Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking one free platform. Choose PowerPoint Online if you want exact compatibility, or LibreOffice Impress for offline control. Create or sign into your Microsoft account now, then upload any existing PPTX files. Once done, import your assets, fonts, images, and a 16:9 template so layouts stay consistent. Make sure to enable autosave in the cloud or save a local. Odd copy in Impress. This gets you out of setup and into real slide editing immediately. You now focus on structure. Edit the slide master so every slide inherits fonts, colors, and logo placement. This saves time and keeps consistency. When a font isn't available, convert headings to images or switch to a free web font to avoid substitution. For media, link large videos or compress them to optimized MP4. This prevents bloated files and playback errors. As you work, test transitions and animations. Simpler effects are more reliable across platforms. Finish by exporting to the format your audience needs. PDF for printing, MP4 for video playback, or PPTX for editable sharing. Upload the final file to OneDrive or Google Drive and send a share link or attach the PPTX directly. If someone reports layout issues, open the file in native PowerPoint and reapply the master slide or check missing fonts. This usually fixes spacing. One key tip: if animations fail, flatten complex slides to images as a fallback to preserve appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.